Mischief, as defined in Section 425 of the Indian Penal Code, IPC, involves intentionally causing wrongful loss or damage to property, including destruction or alteration that diminishes its value or utility. This offense is crucial for protecting property rights and deterring actions that harm public or private property. Definition and elements. 1. Section 425 IPC defines mischief as an act causing or likely to cause wrongful loss or damage to property. 2. Intention or knowledge. The act must be intentional or done with the knowledge that it is likely to cause wrongful loss or damage. 3. Wrongful loss or damage. This element involves the destruction of property or a change in its state that diminishes its value, utility, or injuriously affects it. And 4. Examples. Examples include vandalism, damaging crops, tampering with public utilities, or destroying documents. Key aspects. 1. Protecting property rights. The law aims to safeguard property from intentional harm and interference. 2. Severity. More serious forms of mischief, like damaging public infrastructure, may carry harsher penalties. And 3. Intent. The intent or knowledge of causing wrongful loss or damage is a critical factor in determining mischief. Case laws. Indian Oil Corporation vs NEPC India Limited. A case illustrating the application of Section 425. Krishna Gopal Singh vs the State of UP. Another case providing insight into the interpretation of mischief under the IPC. Conclusion. Understanding the definition of mischief and its essential elements is vital for establishing accountability and ensuring justice in cases of property damage and interference. The IPC provides a framework for addressing various forms of mischief, with penalties varying based on the nature and extent of the damage. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment.